Another day of school.
Let's do this. Here's breakfast.
Cake. Thanks, Dad.
Hey, see you.
Yep. See you later.
This is delicious.
Okay. Bye, Dad.
Bye, Dad.
I don't want to go to school.
Wake up, Kyle.
No. I want to go to school.
Oh, shit. Whoa! Oh.
Kyle tripped me!
Kyle, be nice to your sister.
Oh, she was the one who tripped me. Gosh. First at the bus stop again.
Hi, Alex.
Hey, Kevin. Hey, guys, what's up? Almost there? Dang it! Ugh. Let me in! Let me in!
Aw, it looks like you're about to cry. You're a 5th grader, not a preschool girl.
So guys, did you hear such a appreciation?
That guy fell off the bench. Man, why are these people so loud?
Oh, my nose! What the heck?
Okay, class, we have a math test to do. First, do your exit steps.
Tired. Quick, Kevin, Andrew, let's mustachify Kyle. What? Is it the end of the day yet or something? Our mustache is humorous. Hi guys. Hey guys. Hey Alex. Hey Alex. What are you doing? Oh, what's that for? Hey, so, dude, guess how we got that backpack?
9 plus 10, 21.
Kyle's a secondary too.
Oh, here, Roasty, you want the tougher cookie?
No.
Come on, it's really healthy.
No.
Okay, you look a little dusty today. How old did you get?
Ugh, the heck?
I got a change of clothes.
Third, make Kyle and Alex come up with all their stuff to the office, please.
Hey, I'm Alex.
Kyle.
So, how was your day?
Well...
She's just in the background, and she said